How to unblock websites in Safari on your iPhone. So if you're trying to load a website and it's not loading or it's being blocked, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. So right here, it should say not connected like you see here. And then you can head back over to the main settings page. Now from your settings, just scroll all the way down to screen time, scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, and make sure content and privacy restrictions are toggled to off like this. Now come back over to the main settings window. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click on apps. Scroll all the way down until you see Safari in the list and click on this. You can then scroll down to block pop-ups and make sure this is turned off. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and select advanced and make sure block all cookies is toggled to off like this. And once you've followed all of these steps, you can try heading back over to Safari and checking if the website is now unblocked. If it's still not working, you may need to go and open the App Store on your phone. You could then use the search box and type in VPN, and you can go and download a free VPN onto your iPhone. So the one I like to use is this one here called VPN Super Proxy. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this onto my phone. Once it's finished downloading, go and open up the app. You can then agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to allow all of the notifications and then press proceed with ads. Once you've done this, you can turn on and connect to the VPN. You could then head back over to Safari and you should be able to open any website.